Hi everyone, my name is Emily,
And my name is Stefan. We're students at the Li-Ming Chinese Academy.
where we learn about Chinese language and culture.
But today, we're here to teach you guys about our New Year, which takes place on February 8th this year.
The new year we're all used to celebrating on January 1st is based on the solar calendar marked by the sun, while the Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar, which follows the cycles of the moon.
The moon? Why the moon?
The Chinese were once an agrarian society where farmers used the phases of the moon to determine planting and harvesting times during the year.
Since the moon's path changes from year to year, the actual date of the lunar New Year varies as well.
Then how do we determine the date each year?
Well, what stays the same is that the lunar New Year is always on the second new moon after the first day of winter.
The new moon is when it looks like there isn't a moon at all. It's just a dark circle in the sky. Because of this cyclical dating, the Chinese New Year can fall anywhere between late January and mid-February. And this year, it's on February 8th.
Really? That sounds so cool. The Lunar New Year is similar to Thanksgiving in that it puts a lot of emphasis on family relationships and bringing the family together. Meanwhile, like the New Year that most of you celebrate, we also stay up late past midnight to welcome the New Year. It's also similar to Christmas, Hanukkah, and Kwanzaa in that the celebration lasts many days. The full Lunar New Year celebration lasts a total of 15 days.
So what else happens during the new year? Are there any more differences between the celebrations?
Well, the Chinese New Year is celebrated in a cycle called the Zodiac. The Zodiac comprises of a series of 12 animals. What are those animals again?
Oh, I know. Here they are. They are the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the boar.
How did those animals get to be on the Zodiac?
According to legend, the animals in the zodiac were determined by a contest held by the Jade Emperor a long time ago. The contest was a race, and the first 12 animals to reach the finish line after crossing the river would be in the Chinese zodiac by the order in which they had finished.
Oh yeah, I remember. The rat won the race because he and the cat were the two of the ox crossing the river. The ox, being blind, needed the rat to navigate while the rat got a free ride. But near the end of the river, the rat jumped onto the ox, ran ahead, and won the race.
But wait, what happened to the cat? Why isn't the cat in the zodiac?
The rat was cruel and pushed off the cat in the middle of the river. The cat ended up finishing 13th place and didn't get a place on the Zodiac. That's why, even today, the cat chases after the rat to get revenge.
Oh, I see. So then what's this year's sign? Does anybody know?
That's right. It's the year of the monkey. Monkeys are smart, enthusiastic, and clever, but at times can be impetuous and arrogant.
Next, Allison and Alex will tell you more about Chinese traditions.